At Visio Lending, we are proud to bring brokers the tools and technology to be successful. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to price out a loan in under 2 minutes and submit deals you want to move forward with to your account executive. To get started, log into the portal with your username and password. For password assistance, click the Forgot Your Password button. Once you are into the portal, click the Loan Pricing button on the home page. The first step is inputting the property address, type, number of units, and property condition. Click the Next button to move on when you are through. Now, we'll gather all relevant loan information, provide the loan type, and let us know if the property is a short-term rental. If it is a long-term rental, let us know if it is currently leased. Give us your best estimate of monthly rent, and then click Next. This brings us to the loan values. Start by giving us your best estimate of the property value. Then give us either your desired loan amount or loan to value. The other one will automatically populate. Now for the fun stuff. Visio brokers can earn YSP, or borrower paid points, or a combination of both. First, select your desired YSP compensation. Next, select the lender discount points the borrower wants to pay Visio to buy down their rate. Finally, select the number of points you'd like to be paid by the borrower. We are also going to need the prepayment penalty option the borrower desires. When this is inputted, click Next. The next step is calculating PITIA, or Principal Interest Taxes, Insurance, and Association Dues. Give us the most accurate numbers as possible for an accurate quote. We'll need all monthly expenses and other costs associated with the loan. The final step to seeing a pricing estimate is the borrower credit score. And with that, we've made it to the pricing results page. On the left side of this page, you can make any adjustments you want to the indicated items, and then refresh your pricing. On the right at the top, you see a summary of the key loan terms you provided. Below it, you'll see the available loan products and related rates and P&I payments. To see more details, click the Select button. To send a quote to your customer, click the Print button. This feature also allows you to save your quote as a PDF. If you're ready to submit a deal to your Visio account executive, first select your desired product, and then click the Submit to Account Executive button. Your Visio account executive will receive the information you've inputted and reach out to start your loan. Price out as many deals as you like whenever you want by using this feature. We look forward to helping you grow your broker business.